We'll turn the page in the weather department again today. Today is weather impact, but as you said, John, this morning is going to be tough.
Exactly, yeah. That's the harsh report of the day. Is going to be the morning hours. As we get to around lunchtime, we'll deal with some more improvements, but it's still going to be slick. Maybe still some patchy blowing snow around that time. Road conditions on your screen right now, we're seeing partially covered. And that shade of blue, the shade of purple, travel not advised. And I-35 north of Ames closed all the way just north of the northern border. Goes all the way up to Albert Lea in southern Minnesota. As you look across the Midwest, a lot of blue and even some pink sprinkled in there, and the purple not advised travel in northern Iowa and in southern Minnesota. Let's talk about what it's looking like right near Ames along I-35. Not really seeing too much. You're seeing the headlights. That's really pretty much all you can make out from that. Blowing snow is still a factor the farther north you go. And even here right now in Des Moines from Principal Park, let's go ahead and pop that up. So you're seeing pretty decent when it comes to visibilities, but you can't really see the road conditions here. There are some slick spots, especially on the lesser traveled roads, getting out of the neighborhood and even just getting here to the car if it's parked outside. You'll be doing the Penguin Walk just because that ice still out there as we go about today. Even some isolated snow showers still possible as you go throughout the morning hours. That's still actively falling over parts of Iowa, but most of the snow with this system is now well off to the east. But you can even see some very light returns, very streaky snow showers kind of still passing on by and still generating some of those reduced visibilities at times. 35 to 45 mile per hour winds as of right now, and we'll continue with those over the next few hours. They are going to start to decrease those as we go deeper into the morning, and especially for the afternoon. That Arctic air is back on top of us. Temperatures are right near 10 degrees, feels like double digits below zero. It's a day you need all the layers, and you'll need them all day long because the winds, yeah, they're going to be calming down, but still generating a wind chill as we go into the afternoon. This is lunchtime where you're seeing those gusts closer to around 30 miles per hour. And then into the afternoon, we'll start around 20 miles per hour and even less. So the evening is going to be much better for traveling when it comes to that. Road conditions still going to be partially slick, though. So you want to keep in mind slow travel, plan for that. Go easy today, nice and slow. As you go into the rest of this week, however, talking about the next system moving in Wednesday, late morning, going to the afternoon, north central and northeastern Iowa, a chance for some of those snow showers returning, then lighter stuff trying to move into the state as we go into Wednesday evening. That could impact any type of New Year's Eve plans that you have, but then it'll be wrapping up by the time we hit around midnight when people are celebrating, and then going into Thursday. Colder for the first day of January, first day of 2026, but then temperatures rebound to the weekend. Sunday, 40s return.